Yeah?
Did you just say Black
What
Loud?
you're saying?
Hey, don't push the buttons. You're gonna switch the phone off.
Ooh.
Talk to the
What are
phone.
you doing?
Talk to Ash, your crazy aunt.
Hey, I'm the most sane aunt he has.
That may be true.
Be nice.
Huh?
Be nice to Ash.
Do you have this on like night vision?
Baby, why?
Because it looks like.
You're so funny.
Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? Yeah? Who are you talking to? See, I'm talking to Auntie Ash. And Ash isn't talking back.
I know. Geez, Ashley, talk to him. He's talking to me.
It sounds like good. Uh-huh.
He says, I just put you on the table.
Sweet.
Tell him you love him. He'll tell you.
You. I love you. Oh, wow.
Don't put it in the sink. Don't put
No,
it.
don't put me in the sink, Ellie. Why don't you put it back on the table?
Okay, give it to mommy. Say bye, Aunt Ash.
Bye.
Say bye, I love you. No, don't push buttons.
Okay.
Say bye, I love you.
Love you.
Tell her.
I love you.
Say I love you.
I love you.